Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your Wi-Fi not working on Redmi Note 9 Pro. Let's begin! First, it's always good to simply restart the Wi-Fi itself. We can do that by just clicking this and then clicking that once again. I just rebooted the Wi-Fi feature. And now, as you can see, I am connected once again into my network. Technically, it could help you, but if the issue is with the router itself, then there is nothing we can do except one more thing. We can press and hold onto the Wi-Fi icon. We can click the arrow icon at the right, scroll all the way down and simply forget the network itself. And then you want to simply reconnect to it once again using the password. Just like that. Let's simply hit connect, and if the password is correct, we should connect to our internet. However, there is a very high chance that you've already done that and it's still not working. What we can do then? Well, I can't really show you this because the next point is to simply restart the router. How can you do that? Well, luckily for us, it's very simple. All you want to do is just unplug it from the electricity. Though many routers actually have a simple power on or off button, I do find the powering of electricity very convenient and pretty easy to understand. So you want to basically unplug it, you want to leave it like that for maybe a minute, maybe a two, maybe a three, and then you want to connect it once again. With that, the router should restart, it should reboot, and technically everything should be working fine. However, if you have already done that, and yet you just can't seem to get the Wi-Fi to work, well, the last thing you can do is just call your internet provider and ask them, hey man, I'm paying for that Wi-Fi, what's going on? Because maybe they have some sort of trouble on their side, maybe the servers are dead, maybe someone, I don't know, hijacked their main company HQ and disabled the internet, hard to tell. But after you have done that, so after you have tried to restart and reconnect to the Wi-Fi itself, once you've rebooted the router, you can just call the internet provider and see what they will tell you. Or alternatively, you can go to downdetector.com and try to search there if maybe you're too scared to call someone. There are people like this. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.